Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify store on mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, we don't want you to miss out on the exclusive Shopify subscription deal. Click on the link in the description below so that you can sign up and start boosting your sales today. Take advantage of all the powerful features Shopify has to offer and watch your business thrive. So now let's get started into the video and set up our Shopify store in mobile. So first of all, you want to go into your Play Store or App Store. So whether you're in Android or in iOS, this will work for you. So go into your Play Store and App Store, and from here search for Shopify and click on the Shopify e-commerce business app. And from here you want to install this. So once you have installed it, tap on open, and then you would be prompted here. So you have two options, which is to get started or register, or log in if you already have an account. So in this case, let's just tap on get started. From here, I'm gonna go for I'm already selling online or in person. So these are personal questions. Just go and answer based on your personal answers. And in this case, I'm just gonna tap on skip all since we don't really need that, and tap on next, and then tap on continue right here. So now, as you can see, it says account.shopify, and from here, we are gonna sign up with an email. So right here, I'm gonna provide my email. So my email would be wardem42791 at carspure.com. And then the next thing is I'm gonna provide the password. So I'm just gonna use a strong password for this account, and I'm gonna click on create Shopify account. And then from here, it will now build our store right here. And there it is. And let's just wait for it to finish loading, and then here we have it. We now have our store created, just as easy as that. And from here, if you would like to receive notifications from Shopify, you want to tap on allow. In my case, I don't want that, so I'm gonna tap on don't allow right here. And from here, as you can see, you can build your dream business for just $1 per month right here. So I suggest that you use the link in the description down below so that you could also help us in funding our channel. And then as you can see right here, and get ready to sell. So these are the steps that we would need to take in order for us to finish setting up our store. So the first one is we need to add our first product. So now let's click on add your first product. So click on that right here. And then from here, you can go for click on add images. And from here, you want to add an image of your product. In my case, it will be this one, for example. And right here, you can go for the product title. So let's say sunglass. And then you can add description and category if you'd want that. And then you can go for the variants right here, sales channels, inventory, and so on. We're not going to go too in depth with this one right here. I'm just showing you on how you can do it. And this is basically where you want to set all of this up. You can also have the shipping right here and everything that you would need to set up here for your product. So once you're all done setting up everything, you want to tap on save. And then once you have changed that, once it's saved, you can now tap here on the product section at the bottom. As you can see on the price tag icon, you can see the products right here. And now we have added our first product. So now let's check this. Next one is customize your online store. So you want to tap on this one right here, and then you will be prompted to your online store where you can edit and see your online store from here. So if you want to edit your online store now, you want to tap on the edit button, and then you will be prompted here to the editor page wherein you can edit the contents, the elements of your online store. You can design it however you'd want right here. So this is how you do it. And when you reveal this, you can see that you can add the blocks right here into your website. So this is basically how you can do it right here on mobile. And now we're gonna go tap on exit, and then you can also go for the themes right here. So you can click on manage all themes, and from here you will be prompted to the themes right here that is for free. So if you want to go for the paid versions of themes, then you would need to go here on the bottom, and then you can see on visit theme store right here. You want to tap on that. But you already have the free themes right here that you can add into your store. If you don't want the Dawn theme, since that is too basic, you can go for this theme right here. It says Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, and Craft. So you can click on the Visit Theme Store if you want to go for the paid ones. So it's just right here. So let's just wait for this one to load. And as you can see right here, these are the paid themes right here. So I recommend the paid themes because you don't have to do much work with them, because they almost have everything you need already. So there is less work to do, and they are also very classy, very unique, and you could do everything you want with them. And you also have a customer support available for you. So now let's go back right here. So let's go back into Shopify, and then here we are, and then we'll go back here. So let's say we have now customized our online store according to the themes or the edits that we have made. The next thing is set your shipping rates. So you want to tap on that, and then right here to set our shipping rates, you actually have a lot of options right here. You have the local delivery, the pick up in store if you would allow that in your business, and so many more. But what we're going to be doing here is we're going to click here on create a profile. So we're going to go for the shipping rates. And once you click on that or tap on that, you want to tap on create zone so that you would be able to create a zone wherein you could set a custom rate. So let's say in Asia, right here, I want to go for that. In here is Asia shipping rate. Say something like that. And then you want to hit on save, and then you would have the zone right here. So you want to tap on add rate next so that you can now go for the rate name and Asia, and then you can go for the price on how much shipping you would like to charge here on the Asia or the region that you have selected. Let's say I want to go for 250 and hit on save. And then as you can see, we now have that right here. And then you can create another zone as much as you want. You can tap on add more countries or region right here. You can tap on that, and then you would be able to add more countries into your profile. So let's go click on create one again, and it has been disabled. So let me just do it again quickly and add a rate right here, and let's go for 250. Save, and the rate name, of course, Asia, and then hit on save, and then it is now all good. As you can see, it needs a profile name, so let's go for the profile name right here, Asia again. Tap on save, and then there we have it. We have now successfully set up our shipping. So let's click on check right here. And then the next thing is to name your store. So tap on name your store, and then from here you can go for in my case, I'll just go for sample tutorial store, but this is basically where you would want to input your name right there, and tap on save. And then there we have it. We have now finished setting up our online shopping store here in Shopify. We have now checked all of this right here. All right, so now that we are done setting up, I would like to give you my opinion on using this mobile phone right here, because I don't really recommend this if you will be running your store in Shopify, because number one, it has limited screen space, so navigating and editing your store is challenging on a small screen, making tasks like product management and order handling troublesome. And you also have reduced functionality. So the mobile version may lack some advanced features like integrations that is available on desktop, limiting your capabilities. And you also have the typing and data entry, so it would be very hard to do it here in mobile. And also the app integrations that you can do in the desktop version is so much better compared here on the mobile version. So you would have a lot of functionality that will be removed from you if you use mobile version instead of the desktop version. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.